Hello, welcome to Technology Hub, and in today's video basically we'll discuss what exactly the comment is in C# and why we need it. And the second thing is what are the different types of comments available in C#. And in the third part it's a bit different, and it's basically reading and printing the values. So we need to read some values from the console, and we need to, whatever we'll read it, we'll print it. Okay, so let's discuss what are the different types of comments available. So we have two different types of comments available in C#.NET. One is single line comment and one is the multi-line comment. So just for your information, comment is basically used to give a kind of a message to the program. So that basically need to understand how exactly we can give a message to a specific program. So it may be a single line comment, we can give a single line comment, or we can give a multi-line comment to the program. Okay, so let's discuss practically how exactly we can give the comments. And one more thing we want to add is single line comment will give a forward slash, two forward slash basically, and multi-line comments will be forward slash star. Then you can write your comments there, and then star forward slash to end the comments. So let's understand how exactly we can write the comments in Visual Studio. So so if you'll see this program, basically let's delete this program. So if I wanted to write the comment here, so let's say first of all let's print some value here as an output, console.writeLine. So let's put it here, hello world. Okay, so I wanted to print this value. So if I wanted to give some kind of information regarding this particular statement, then I can give this is hello world program. Okay, so I'm not giving this forward slash. If I'm not giving this forward slash, you can able to see several errors it's throwing. If you hover this mouse here, it's saying that this is not exist in the current context. Okay, so to avoid this, I wanted to put a forward slash. Okay, so this forward slash saying that I wanted to give some kind of information to a program, but I don't want to display this particular things in my output. Okay, so that's the basically thing why exactly we are using these comments basically. And this two forward slashes basically a single line comments. Okay, if I run this program, then you can able to see only one output, that is hello world. Okay, you can able to see hello world, and I'm not able to see anywhere this comment what I have given. So this is basically a comment that will give some kind of information to the program. Now if I wanted to write some kind of multiple messages, so this is a console application. Okay, and few more things like this is single line program. Okay, so so you can see I have 3 lines of comments here. Okay, so it's recommended that if there is more than one line of comments, then you can give the multi-line comments. Okay, so how exactly we can write it? So we can write it in this way, forward slash star, then you can give your star, then forward slash. So this will act as a comment. Now if I'll run this program, you can able to see only these things will be printed, not the above things, because this is an comment things. Okay, so this will give some kind of information about this below program. Okay, this is my program and this is the comment one. Okay, so this is called multi-line, and if I'll run this program, we'll see I can able to see only hello world. Okay, not the other things. Now this is how exactly this hello world program used to write, and along with the specific comments. And if I wanted to add more comments, I can write something like this. So this is a program. Okay, so anything, I'm just for your understanding I'm writing this one, so it will consider as a program because this is within this and this. Okay, so you can write here also like this. Okay, so if you wanted to give a single line, you can write it. Okay, anything you can do within this, so whatever you'll write within this one, you can write this way. And in the similar way, we can write in the single program, we can give multiple comments as well. So if you are giving some kind of comment here also, okay, so I can write end of the program. You can write it, no issues. Okay, so this is the starting comments and this is the end comments what I have given. Okay, so if I'll run this program, I can able to see the hello world. Okay, so this is basically how we can write the comments, single line comments and multi-line comments. Okay, so let's understand the second thing. Okay, what we discussed in this slide, that is our reading the values. Okay, so let's remove everything. Okay, now what is this mean by reading some values? So reading some values means if I wanted to enter some values, because till now what we have done, we have printed all these values. If you notice here, we just printing these values. Okay, so hello world, we have written something, so that will print. So currently what we are going to discuss is what the value will enter, so that same value will print as an output. So for example, if I'll give what is your age, if I'll ask someone, so he will type something 15. Okay, he's typing as 15, then it will print your age is 15. Okay, so that's dynamically whatever the value will enter, so based upon that it will print. Okay, so those programs will write. So let's write here the same thing, console dot write line. Okay, now what I'm saying, what is your age? Okay, so this is the statement, it will print what is your age. Okay, the second line what I'll write, int age, I'll take a variable integer type of variable age, and I'll put console, okay, dot read line. So read line will read some values from the user, whatever the user will type, that particular value this read line will read, and then that things we can print it in the console dot write line. Okay, so we can write console dot write line. Okay, and your age is, we can write your age is the age what you have typed here, it will display. Okay, so this will ask you to type some age. Okay, this line. So if I'll type 25, then it will display 25. If I'll type 20, then it will display 20. Your age is in this place 20. Okay, so this is a placeholder. Now if I see here, it's saying throwing some error, right? So it's saying that cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. So there is an method in C#, that is the convert, okay, dot toInt32. Okay, and it's a function, and we can put this console.readLine within this function. So if we'll convert that value to an integer, then it will assign that integer to here and this. Now you can see there is no errors. Okay, now what this program will do, it will ask you what is your age. So what I'll do, I'll type some values, my maybe 15 or 20 of integer type. So this line will ask you to enter some values. Now once I'll enter some values, it will print that value. Your age is in static string, and whatever the value you have typed, it will display here. So it's concatenating with this string with your age what you have typed. So it will display your age is, let's say I have entered 25 here, then it will say 25. So your age is 25. So let's see in the program how exactly it's displaying. If I'll run this program, it's saying that what is your age. You can see in this program, it's saying that what is your age. So it will in the second line, now it's came to second line, and it's asking to enter your age. Okay, so what is your age? So I'll type 25. Okay, Now once I'll enter the 25, then the third line will be executed. Okay, if I'll press enter, the third line will be executed and your age is 25. Okay, 25. Now I can say your age is 25. If I run this program again and it's saying that what is your age, if I'll press 20, it will say your age is 20. So this is basically this read line works. Okay, it's read some values from the user, it takes some value from user, then you can print that value. Whatever the user will enter, that value you can print. Okay, so this is all about this comment, single line and multi-line, as well as the read line statement in C#.NET. So thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.